map shows us the relationship between Whyalla and Port Bonython, where the cuttlefish come in May through to August, depending upon currents, to breed. Cuttlefish, if they successfully breed, normally don't survive past that point, but if they don't breed, then they can often live to up to 5 years. Giant cuttlefish, South Australia, in Port Bonython. These are the eggs of the cuttlefish which have been laid by the female in the cavities underneath the rocks in the ocean, and they will take a while to mature and emerge to survive in the open ocean. So we have a mixture of people going on the glass bottom boat, as well as people who are going snorkeling or using air tanks to study the cuttlefish here. The cuttlefish are in shallows here. The females are hiding in little caves under the ledges in the water, and certainly above them are many more males trying to find receptive females. Each female has space for storage of up to 5 deposits from their suitors, and this means she's got a good, diverse genetic sample for her progeny to get the best chance of survival. Meanwhile, the males are, if successful, trying to prevent other males from copulating with her, and so they hang around above her trying to keep other males away. Some of the scuba divers are going in whilst the other two are going in a glass bottom boat to look at the cuttlefish.
Rock structure attracts the female cuttlefish into this area. So we pay our respect to that land, that culture, and we also extend a welcome to anyone who identifies themselves.
Heat. So essentially what happens, did you hear that? It's okay, it's just lunchtime. Apparently at Santos here they need to be told when it's lunchtime. It's 8 kilometres long, 60 metres wide, and it's the largest single known aggregation for cuttlefish anywhere in the world. That makes it important for studying cuttlefish. This is also the largest known species of cuttlefish, the Australian giant cuttlefish, Sepia apama. So it's unique for a couple of different reasons. What's essentially happening here is the cuttlefish come in here for their breeding season. The cuttlefish, I hope. That's a nice big one guarding a female. Is there a little female underneath? Yeah. So that's been a successful coupling this morning. He's guarding her to make sure other males don't come in. There's 2 of them doing it actually right next to each other. Alright, so what happens is the cuttlefish arrive here sometime in May. They go through their breeding cycle. This is business time. One focus. They don't eat here. They lose condition. At the end of the season, all the adults die off, or they're preyed upon by seals and dolphins. Effectively, what happens then is that the cuttlefish, the little babies, will hatch out in September, roughly.